What's up my people, Nick GTM Mason, GTM Fitness. Now today I'm going to talk briefly about this naked smoothie. In this naked smoothie you have apple, mango, orange and banana. Now today is the end of June basically, you understand what I'm saying? 28th of June is when I recorded this. This goes off the 3rd of September 2018, so it's this year. I want to ask you a question. If I open a banana right now and I leave it from June until September, what's that banana going to look like? In fact, if I do the same with apple, what's that apple going to look like? The fact is, even if I leave an apple or banana open for one day, it's going to look like shit. It's going to be brown, it's going to be disgusting, you're not going to consume it. So why is it you people see that things have been crushed down and put into a bottle with a pretty package that you're willing to eat it after it's been left for so long? And the fact is, if it's looking good still, what have they put in it to keep it looking good? My people, you need to stop getting fooled by these food companies. It's not full of vitamins and minerals, it's full of